Hello, crypto YouTube, crypto family, HODL family. This is Crypto Farang, pre-recorded from Thailand. And if you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe to the channel. Hop on over to Twitter and follow me at Crypto Farang. And as always, I am not a cryptocurrency expert, a blockchain specialist, or a financial advisor. I'm just another digital asset maniac making YouTube content. So as always, invest at your own risk. And wow, what an exciting time it is to be an early adopter. Let's hop on over to the markets. And today at just after 8 p.m. on Friday in Chiang Mai, Thailand, we have a Bitcoin under 5,000 US dollars, XRP 14 cents, and my little VeChain. Oh wow, how you have taken a hit. 0.0022. So I was inspired, I was compelled to make this video today because as the title states, I ain't crying, I'm buying. That's right. If you are new to the channel, I am a diehard hodler. Nothing will faze me. I am in this for the long haul. I'm all in, baby. And you know, what else can I say? So I wasn't expecting a big crash, but let's just say that this has not surprised me in the least. In fact, I think because I've been in this market since 2014, I think a steady climb up to new all-time highs probably would have been more surprising. So I wasn't shocked. I can't lie. Was I disappointed? Of course I was disappointed. My portfolio has taken a massive hit. Probably over half of my overall portfolio value has been wiped off. But I made a decision when I came back in the market in 2017 and started reaccumulating through the pump, through the bear market, through the steady positive price movements we've seen in recent weeks and months, and then through this crash. I made a decision that I am holding my digital assets because I am going to see this thing through. And as a matter of fact, I bought more XRP today. I bought another small bag at 14 cents. And I know I said I wasn't going to buy any more digital assets, and I wasn't in a position to do so, but I just could not, in good conscience, not capitalize on this opportunity. Now, it's entirely possible that we are going to see more negative price movements, and there's a lot of discussion in the space that that's what we are on target to see. And I tweeted earlier that I bought at 14 cents, and you know what? I'll probably buy at 9 cents. And that's just where I'm at. And there was an interesting article here on the Daily HODL, and I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. I will include the link in the description. Crypto Insider says Bitcoin breakdown is right on script in bold prediction on future of cryptocurrency. What we're seeing right now is everything that we didn't have the prior data to influence our anticipation of what could potentially happen in the event of a major U.S. or world economic collapse, recession, stock market crash, traditional investment declines. So we are seeing now that cryptocurrency is potentially not behaving in the way that a lot of people have been pontificating about on their Twitter feeds or in their YouTube channels. This is a safe haven asset. This is potentially going to perform well when the traditional markets do not. It doesn't surprise me at all that we've seen this big crash in light of recent events. However, I am still confident in the long-term potential, certainly if we see the economy recover, even after a period of recession. But I'm still optimistic at the possibility of digital assets and Bitcoin becoming that safe haven asset. And we could potentially see digital assets perform well even if we go into a relatively long period of recession over the course of the next couple of years or perhaps longer. And so short to midterm, it's still possible. Long term, I think y'all know how I feel. And so this guy goes into some detail about how this is not out of character for Bitcoin before the halving. And then, of course, you have to take into account all these other variables. But this whole safe haven narrative, the thing that Bitcoin was created for, it's yet to catch on, but I think it still can. And so I did align with some of the attitudes and opinions that are outlined in this article. And so I encourage you to go have a look. And I think the big takeaway, the big quote that I do want to share with you here today, if you're leaving now, I'm not entirely sure why you came. And I completely agree. If you are new to the channel, I will just mention again, I was dealing with Bitcoin back in 2014 when one BTC was 120 bucks. We saw the all-time high in 2017 of almost 20,000 US dollars, and then the crash. And then look, if you look back to a year ago, we are still in the green in terms of Bitcoin. Yeah, sure, we wiped off a lot of the recent gains, but I have weathered the storm, and I am going to weather the storm. And I've said this before that I'm going to hold to zero or I'm going to hold to the moon, and we're going to see how this thing plays out. So if you're new to the space, if you are a seasoned crypto veteran or somewhere in between on the spectrum, I encourage you to hold steadfast to your original vision and your original commitment. I have made the commitment. As a matter of fact, I've put my cash out points down in a spreadsheet so I know exactly where I'm going to start selling if and when we hit those price points. I encourage you to do the same. It takes some of the edge off, some of the guesswork out of the whole thing, because you've said, look, this is what I've committed to do, and I'm going to hold to it. And so I've found that helpful. And, you know, it's interesting. Even though the market has taken this huge hit, we are in this massive, vast sea of red. I'm still optimistic. I'm actually somewhat giddy. I mean, I had to come here and make a video and talk about how I got to buy some 14-cent XRP. That's exciting to me. So welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. HODL strong. And as a reminder, please treat others the way that you'd like to be treated. And remember, crypto hindsight is always 20/20. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.